Hello everyone, for this video I am going to make a tutorial on how to make your Android home screen aesthetic with the theme Beige. Go to your Play Store and search for icon changer. And for the widgets, just look for simple photo widget on Play Store. And if you are already done on installing those apps, just go to your Pinterest and look for wallpapers that you are going to use for your home screen and for the lock screen. So in my case, I will just look around on the pins that I saved on my Pinterest. So I'm gonna choose this one for my home screen. And for the icons, I really put some effort on looking for someone on Pinterest that has a package of icons, because it took a lot of time if I will customize my icons for this tutorial. So if you want to get these icons, just visit my Pinterest and look for my pins that are entitled with home screen, and you will see the section of Beige theme. So for my lock screen, I'd like to use this one because it's very simple and aesthetic. So for my home screen, I choose this one because it's very calming and very minimalist. So if you're done changing your wallpapers, let's proceed to the icons. Just open your icon changer and pick an app that you are going to change. Click gallery and choose a photo that you are going to use on your gallery. Crop the picture and click OK, and you can choose whatever shape you want for your icons. If you're done selecting on what kind of shape you want for your icons, just press OK and wait for a second, and repeat the process for the other icons. And to make this video short, I'm finally done on changing the icons on my home screen. So this is what it looks like. And for the widgets, just long press your home screen and you will see the widgets down below, and select photos and click photo source and choose for your widgets that you are going to use on your gallery. Click select and press the back icon on the left side and customize your widget name. So for me, I use some reminder for myself to be positive. You can customize also the color of the font and also the size, and click create, and you will see the widget that you created on your home screen. In resizing your widget, just long press the widget. So I'm just gonna organize my home screen for a while. You can also put some note to your home screen. So mine, I put some reminder to drink 8 glasses of water a day. put some picture of me that will suit for this theme. Luckily, I have these pictures on my phone. It really suits to our theme today. And that's it for this video, and I hope that you learned something on this video, and I hope that you just start thinking on customizing your home screen. Thank you!
シュガーだよ。ごめんね、今留守なの。ピッコロの音の後にメッセージっていうの入れといて。後で連絡しちゃうかも。じゃあお願いだよ。